you're not a content creator, but you still want to make money on Facebook. In this tutorial, I want to teach you step by step on how you can be making over $1,000 on your Facebook profile, not page you, on your normal Facebook profile, how you can be making more than $1,000 every single month. Okay, follow me on this tutorial. Let me teach you how to do this step by step, and don't forget to share this video. Thank you. Now you want to be making money with your normal Facebook profile. Now follow my step. Open up your Facebook account on your normal Facebook account, not page. Okay, now click this. Okay, when you click this, you click on your account, come to your normal Facebook profile. Now click on that three dots here. Okay, and click here and turn this to professional dashboard. Okay, turn it to professional mode so that it will have a monetization dashboard. Okay, after doing that, now to start posting video, okay, follow my step how you can post videos and get followers that is more than 5,000 followers on normal profile. A lot of you are saying that you can only have 5,000 followers on your profile. Is a lie. Okay, you can have more than 20,000, but how this thing works is that those people have to follow you through your layers. Okay, means that those people are your layers followers, not your normal Facebook followers. Your normal Facebook followers can only be 5,000, but people that followed you through your layers, you can have up to 100,000 followers on your normal Facebook profile. Okay, now this is how it will be possible. Now click on this dot. Okay, and they click on see more. Okay, this is the layers, right? But we are not going to go from here. Okay, let's go from here. Come to your normal Facebook profile again. Now whenever you want to post video, this is the layers again. Okay, what you guys normally do is to post video on your page, on your profile with normal post. Okay, please post from layers. Okay, don't post from here, but post from here. Okay, click on your layers and select that video that you wish to post. Okay, any video that you wish to post, select that content. Okay, now click this. Okay, follow me step by step. Okay, now when you click on your layers, okay, now you select your video. Always post from layers. Okay, now you select the video that you want to post. You click on audio. Okay, click on audio. When you click on audio, now off the sound that is from that content. Okay, off the sound that is from that content. Now either you want to add your own voice, you click on voiceover. Okay, to add your own voice of that sound. Okay, now the reason why I'm doing this tutorial like this is that I want that your profile to be active, to start getting a huge engagement, a huge views. Okay, this is the secret that I'm teaching you right now. Now select on add music. Okay, now add Facebook music on that your content. Facebook will help that content. We make that content to go viral because you are promoting the music that they have on their catalog. Okay, now any music you want to add, you type that music. Okay, you can type that music, any song that you want to add, you type. Okay, you understand? Now I have removed the original sound from this video and add the one from Facebook catalog. Okay, now I can post it on my account. Okay, on my layers. Now with this method, in less than 1 month you will get your setup on your profile. In less than 1 month you will get set up on your profile. Okay, now once you grow your profile to the level that you want, okay, I will advise you to now delete all the content that is not yours, because normal profile can also have a copyright problem if you don't know. Okay, delete all that content and now start posting original content on your layers. Okay, you already gain a lot of traffic. Posting video with this method that I just teach you guys now will give you a lot of views, a lot of followers on your list, on your profile list, and a lot of engagement. Now, once you have set up, when you are ready to monetize, please delete all that content and start posting original content on your list and monetize that page. That's your profile. You will see how much you'll be generating every month without being a content creator. Okay, so this is how to do this, and don't forget to share this video. Thank you.